Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs. Today we got a super quick video for you guys. I've shared all of these products before and in previous videos, but they've been separated. I'm going to share with you guys all in one the top 3 things that you can buy for your Glowforge and what it ultimately upgrades on your Glowforge and why I think it is the biggest upgrade that you could possibly do with your Glowforge. So we're going to jump right into it. First thing you want to buy is one of these. It's an extender for your exhaust port on your Glowforge. So pretend my hand's the Glowforge exhaust port. You're going to put it right on there. What that does is it gives a nice large lip here for your exhaust hose to go onto. And then that metal clamp that goes around it has a lot more to grab onto instead of the back of the Glowforge, which looks about like this much that sticks off. It seems like it's real hard to get that little ring on. So that basically extends it. You can put that ring on and clamp your hose on there really well. And then it has a nice little lip right here, if you can see that. And then it'll grab on there so it doesn't pull off. So this is a super big one here. Ultimately, the large upgrade that I'm talking about is an external fan, if you haven't guessed that by now. So what we're going to do is the next thing from the other end of your exhaust hose that came out of this thing here, you're going to now get one of these. These are a 4-inch to 6-inch reducer or extender, whichever way you're going in or out from. So what you're going to do is you're going to come off of this one, use your hose, and then clamp into this. So basically it's going to fit perfectly with your hose in between here. And then on this side here, you're going to put your 6-inch infinity fan here. I'll show you guys a picture of what that looks like on Amazon. And then I'll show you guys what mine looks like here at the very end of the video. And then on the other side of that fan, you're going to get another one of these, and you're going to clamp it on the other side of that fan. I just don't have the fan here because I have mine mounted, and I'll show you guys what that looks like here shortly. But pretend your fan is right in between here. They're going to be mounted on both sides, and then your hose is going to be on this side, and you're going to go out the window. So those are pretty much the 3 items that you're going to need. Let me go ahead and show you guys what mine looks like mounted after you mount it right to the side of your desk or wherever you're going to put it. You just use a couple screws. I'm going to show you a clip or a photo of what that looks like here really quick. As you can see, it comes out that exhaust port here with the extender on it, and then it comes down into one of these 6-inch fan reducers, goes through the fan, out the other 6-inch fan reducer, and then out the window. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Hope you guys find this useful. Go ahead and check out my Etsy shop. I finally finished all my photos from my last video that I was telling you guys I was working on. If you want to see that and make some cool designs with it. Other than that, yeah, the external fan is the #1 largest upgrade, in my opinion, what you can do with your Glowforge. If you haven't got one yet, I highly recommend it. Just remember, you go into the settings on your Glowforge, turn off your internal fan, and let the external fan do the work for you after that. Other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.